Turn photo to anime character in Canva cartoon effect tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's first get our image over here. So let's search up a girl over here, go to our photos, and we're going to convert for example this person over here. I'm going to remove the background over here so that the AI would have an easier time. And over here on the left side, simply click on apps and search up here Animify. Something like that. Simply select this option over here. Ensure that you have selected your specific image over here. Click on use selected images and just simply click on generate. Now after this, you should then be able to receive an AI version of your image that you have utilized or selected over here, as you can see. So let's simply wait for it to load over here, and we could show you side by side the different effects or appearance. You could adjust the strength earlier or later on if you want to adjust how much anime you want to have or how the effects would be. So let's show you that later as well after this finish. As you can see, simply click on add to design, and now we have our anime version of our character over here. You could increase the effect strength over here, by the way. You could change it around if you prefer, but that's basically how you will be able to do it. If you want to be able to try this out, you can check out the link in the description below to have a free 30-day free trial for Canva Pro.